2016. What a match this has turned out. He finds the field that this is good bowling from Arshdeep. And see the experience.
Trying to do is, okay, bowl that bouncer, that's one of his options. He can go off pace. If he wants to do that surprise bouncer, that's okay, because he's got a deep fine leg as well for the pull shot, hook shot. And the wide Yorker is generally going to go in that area.
He's got those calculations to make. This is excellent bowling. It's another single.
At times you see Arshdeep, if he's a little expensive up front,